Good morning. I welcome you all to the session on how to upload scanned copy of your written journals or OBA assignments, open book assignments or IA copies, scanned copies onto Google Classroom. This is divided into two parts. One is from the teacher's login and another is from the student's perspective. Teachers have already started posting their PDF files onto their Google Classrooms, which you are accessing now. Already even the labs have started, labs are commenced and lab manuals are getting uploaded. Now you are advised and requested to write down, note down those journals, scan those, download those journal copies or PDF versions, write the journal and then write the observations, readings, do the calculations, scan that copy and upload it onto Google Classroom. Now question comes from the student perspective. How are we going to upload our scanned copy? If you start sending the mail to that faculty will receive about 60 or 70 odd journal copies into his email. So it gets one can easily get lost in that. Instead, we have got better mechanism which we practiced even during the last semester. Get into your Google Classroom, go to the respective class and look into your assignments or the IAs or the lab manuals, lab assignments, lab journal component, download that, write down that your journal, scan that copy, save it into your local drive and then get into your Google Classroom, upload your answer, upload your scanned copy. How to do this process is the question. So the main objective of our today's lecture is, today's video session is how to submit scanned copy of written journal or OBA assignment or IA or our any other document that we would like to post it to the teacher here through Google Classroom. Okay. Now, as you can see, give me one moment. Yeah. Please have a look at this. This is a teacher login portal that you are seeing. This is myself. These are my classes. What you can see here in front of your screen is these are my classes, machine shop, and these are only visible to the teacher. Okay, not a student. So this is for the teacher's part. So teacher will be looking into his classes. Let me explain how to. This has been already done with though. I have uploaded my classwork. Last week I conducted one lab. Lab was the M.M. lab, calibration of pressure gauge. Okay. Now after having completed the lab, I uploaded this copy, experiment number 1, the scanned copy of or the soft copy of pressure gauge calibration experiment. The scanned copy has the details like aim, apparatus. Let me open it anyway. I can show you the scanned copy here. Yeah, you can see. So this is the scanned copy I mean. So this lab manual has been uploaded for your reference. So it has aim, apparatus, procedure, theory and the result. You will have to fill this part. Then conclusion, tabulation, you will have to write those, and the nature of graph is also mentioned. Okay. This has been uploaded and someone asked for my previous class when I engaged, sir, could you please share a reference copy of the previously written journal? That also has been shown. This is what is the student who has written and are uploaded. I will come to this part later. So now as a teacher, I can create I can go to this section, I can create an assignment or quiz or question paper, or I can post some material. I can post this pressure gauge calibration here using this option. When I click onto this material, it will ask me the title. See, this is experiment number 2. Let me say experiment number 2. It could be calibration of load cell. Okay. So here I can say the file contains soft copy of calibration of load cell experiment. Okay. So here I can add my file through my local drive. I will have to save this file as a teacher. I will be saving this file here in my local drive. I will attach that file here and add it. And once that is done, I need to post it here. Look, as a teacher, I can post it immediately or I can schedule the posting. So that, see, my next lab is scheduled on Monday. I can schedule this file to be released on Monday. Even I can save the time So at that particular time it can be released, or on Monday it can be released, or if you want to discard the draft, that could be done here. So this is a teacher's role. And please observe, while creating the question papers or the assignments, we can give the gradings also. This can be done. Have a look. This is assignment. Here is the number of marks. We can make it 10, 20 as per the prerequisites. So either if it is 10, and if there is any due date, we can set the due date. Say let us say this is I will be engaging it on this will be released by 21st of next Monday, the release today, and I expect that the assignment should be submitted on 21st. So this is, if you wish time, otherwise you can opt for that, otherwise you can release it, you delete that. And once you write down all this, you will have to assign this. See, once the lab is finalized, the assignment is finalized, or the manual is finalized, and everything is set here, the marks, due dates, we can assign it. We can assign it either immediately, or we can schedule it for a particular specific period or the time. Same thing goes with respect to quiz assignment, same thing goes with question papers, IA questions, all those could be posted here. Have a look, question, IA question paper, and what kind of questions are expected. Is it a multiple choice question, or is it a short answer? So and we can add that particular question paper here. We can type the question paper, or we can create the question paper here. Have a look please. Even this is for the teachers. So the question papers could be created here using Google Docs or Google Slides. You can use Google Sheet, Excel sheets, or you got to upload some draw some sketches. You can use this application and save it, give the marks, assign the marks, give the due date, and once everything is done, you say ask, or you say schedule it. Okay. Another option that you can see here is material. If the teacher wants to post some materials, if he has got some PDF file or a book or notes or PPTs, he can share it using this. Okay. So now our main objective is to upload our scanned copy or the PDF soft copy of the lab manual. That I have done. Have a look here. Calibration of pressure gauge. How was this done? Experiment number 1, calibration of pressure gauge. And I can delete this post later anyway. So this is the one that has been posted, and if you wish, you can view the assignment. Okay. So this is teacher's login. Use create, upload the document here. Upload your material. Either it is your OBA question. If it is a question paper, you can say the question paper. If it is an assignment, you can say OBA assignment. Change the title. You can just say look, OBA assignment number 1, OBA 1, 2, whatever. So this is open book assignment number 1, open book assignment number 1, open book assignment number 1. So you can give some instructions below this as a teacher, please note. So teacher. So then you can assign this. Now also somebody asked in my previous class if I could upload one reference scanned copy. Have a look at this. This is the scanned copy of a journal previously written. Have a look. Previously written journal. Okay. So this is the calibration. So this is written by the student, which has been uploaded on the Google Classroom. Can you see this? This is very feeble because he has used a blue color pen, I believe. So it has not been scanned properly. Okay. This we are seeing online. There is no printed material, and already it is evaluated the previous time. Okay. I am sending you this for a reference sake. Okay. So this is the teacher's role. Now comes the real part, or the main objective. Once this has been posted, what is being seen by the students? Okay. Let me take one moment please. Okay. Scanned copy. So this is my classes. Okay. As a teacher, this has been logged in. Now let me go to student login portal. Yeah. Student login is window number 3. Okay. Just a minute. Move up. Okay. One sec. Right. So as you can see now, this is student login. This is what the student says in his portal. So these are some of the classes to which he has been assigned with. So this is the student login I am using. third semester mechanical, and these are some of the other classes that I may be undergoing. So let me say I am taking up, I am a student of third semester mechanical. So this is what I have done now, third semester mechanical measurements and metrology. When I log into my account, I see this part, I see the classwork, I see when I look into this, the teacher has posted reference scanned copy that I showed you, the calibration of pressure gauge. This is the reference material the teacher has posted. Okay, so if you observe this, you can see view the assignment. As please note, I am in the student login portal now. This is exactly what I am going to see. I repeat once again, when I log in as a student, the students will be seeing all these are the various classes, and this is third semester mechanical measurements and metrology lab. In this, when you click and when I check, there is a notification sent by the teacher. All are advised to go through 2 files uploaded by me today, write your journal accordingly, scan the journal sheets into a PDF file and upload under classwork tab just below the view assignment. In case of difficulty, they may contact me or somebody. Okay, this is the posting that I have done. Apart from that, I have also mentioned the student will be seeing how to submit the 2 files that have been uploaded by the teacher, how to submit IA scanned copy, how to submit OBA. These are the 2 files that I have uploaded. Okay, now let me go to my classwork. In the class, I have attended one lab previous session previous week, and this is calibration of pressure gauge. Teacher has uploaded this file, calibration of pressure gauge PDF file. Now I need to look into this file first. So view the assignment. What is the assignment? It is not the assignment, actually it is a lab manual that has been uploaded. Let me look into this. The teacher says it carries 10 marks. See, it has been posted as 10 marks here, as of now 0. Okay, it has not been, due date is mentioned as September 20th. Let me, as a student, let me look into the assignment. Okay, so this is the assignment posted, or rather lab manual posted by the teacher. Okay, I will download this. I can download using this file. So you can just print it or download. Okay, it is possible here. Next, once that has been done with, I need to submit this scanned copy of this. So here, please see that you note down this manual, write your answer, scan that file and save it in your local drive. Okay, somebody asks, how do we write? Oh no, this is a different question. Okay, let me have a look. I want to submit the file now. Already it has been submitted, so let me unsubmit that. In the sense, if you have submitted some answer, it can be retrieved. You can cancel that and resubmit once more. Okay, now have a look. So when you, as a student, this is what you are going to see. This is the posting done by the faculty. So this is assignment, this could be your lab manual, this could be your IA question paper, any such thing. Okay, add or create. I have already in my file, in my drive, I have uploaded. If you can observe this, I have uploaded files. Just a minute, let me show you the files. Okay, one second. These are the files. Okay, one sec. Yeah, this is a file. I can show you M lab, and this is the file that the student has uploaded. Let me show you the file. Okay, let me show you. This is the file that has been uploaded by the student. So when you open that, you are going to see this scanned copy of the file. This is the scanned copy, this one. This is the scanned copy. So it has been stored in my local drive. I have to upload this as the answer sheet. Okay, let me do that. Window 3. Okay, so here you can observe add or create, file, upload the file. Here is the uploading option, browse. Okay. Now this is the file that you have selected. You can select it from your local drive, open, it gets uploaded. Can you see this file getting uploaded? This is a scanned copy. Please write your, as a student, write your USN, write the name and write the experiment name. USN, write the name, and it is getting uploaded. Okay. So here submit. In your case, I had done this earlier. So let me say resubmit. Yes. And this is the most important part the student has to see. Once you upload, you forget attaching this file. So this has to be turned in. One attachment will be submitted for experiment number 1, pressure gauge calibration. Do you want to turn in your work? You say yes. You have already, as you can see, this is the file that you have uploaded, but it needs to be turned in. Can you see this part? Turned in. Okay. Once you turn it, it reaches the teacher. Okay. Turning in. Now, in your portal, as a student, you are seeing this, your work you have uploaded, and you can also post a comment if you wish. Sir, I have uploaded, and I have uploaded the answer script, and this can be done before deadline or the last moment, and beyond that probably it will be, the system will show you that it is late submission. I have scheduled this for next Monday. The date of submission for this assignment or lab manual is Monday. Okay. So now this part is done with, the student's part is over. Let me repeat: the student job, classes, go to your respective class, get into that, go to classroom. Here you will be seeing the material posted by the teacher, either it is the OBE assignment or it is a lab manual or it is an IA, that you will be seeing here. Look at as a PDF file, click onto that, you can view that. Then you can, if it is a manual, download the manual, or if it is an IA question paper, or if it is a quiz, or if it is an OBA, have a look online and then start writing. Once you write the experiment, here in this case, write the experiment, save that file in your local drive, in your laptop or desktop. Better use laptops or the desktops rather than the mobiles. You can upload the file using mobile, but rest of the work you will have to do it using your laptops. Scanning could be done using your mobile and transfer that file to your laptops or desktops. Okay. So once that is done, I repeat, you have seen the assignment, you have seen the question paper, or you have seen the lab manual. Now just use this option, lab manual, experiment number 1. Here you have got the option to submit your answer script. This is the answer for this is the space provided for you to submit your answer script. If by chance there is every possibility that you may submit a wrong answer script. So in that case, you can unsubmit that. You can cancel your submission. Okay, anytime you can submit or unsubmit, add or create. You can write your answers here straight away. If you wish, you can. The students can write the answers, type the answers and write it here. Other than that, better would be to write the answer, scan the file using one of the scanner options, compile it into one PDF file, and save it into your local drives. And then if it is a bigger drive, bigger file, you can give a Google Drive link, or if it's a small file or a minor file, some few KBs or MBs, you can use this. Click using this button, then upload that file. Use this option. See, recent one, upload, my drive, or start. So you can use upload. Check this, browse. It will take you to another window where you have saved your file. Please save the file using USN, name of the your name, and the experiment name, calibration of the pressure gauge. If it is the lab manual, lab journal that you are writing. If it is the IA, you mention as IA1 or IA2. If it is OBA, you mention as OBA1 or OBA2. So all this being done, having done that, you say open, it will get uploaded. Okay, it gets uploaded here. You can see this. So submit. Once you submit this, it will ask you to turn in your answer scripts, turn in. Once that is done, your job is over. Okay, so you can log out. Now let me get back to the teacher's login. Okay, teacher's login. Let me show you what happens here. Classwork. Okay, this is the posting that teacher has done. So this is the reference scan copy, and this is the calibration of experiment, calibration of pressure gauge that was uploaded by the teacher, and students have turned in their answers. Have a look. As a teacher, I will be seeing this grades last section, stream, classwork, people, grades, and here is one gentleman, and you can see here number is out 0 out of 10. How many have submitted? You can see all those. Now let me refresh this. Okay, gradebook. Okay, then this is the person who has submitted, any person who has submitted, it will be seen here. In this case, one sec. Yeah, can you see here? This is the answer, and here as a teacher I will be seeing view submission. Please note, this is as a student I have logged in and I had submitted my answer script. It has come as a student here, view submission. Once I go to the view submission, student has submitted his answer script. That is seen by the teacher. Can you see this? Okay, so it is getting uploaded. So this was the answer script written by the student, scanned copy, all those things are seen here, and valuation can be done straight away. This was a scanned copy last time, for reference sake I have mentioned. Okay, so let me give the mark here, say 0.8 or 0.10. Okay, once this is done, I can add one comment. It goes only to the student. Student is advised to improve the drawing, whatever. Okay, so once I post this, it goes, the student will get this posting. And another is, these are the grades, and we need to return these grades. Let me return the grades. Return in the sense I am submitting the marks to the portal. It will ask you, are you sure that you are given 8 marks or 10 marks? You say yes, this is return. Okay. Marks has been submitted. Network issues, wait a minute. Marks is getting submitted. Okay, now not saved. Yeah, have a look. Can you see this? This marks has been saved here, 8 mark out of 10, and this is the submission. Again, if you wish, you can have a look as a teacher. See, the marks that I have given is 8, and this is the answer that is submitted, and this is stored in the drive. Anytime I can go to the drive, I can retrieve this, as long as I don't delete it from the drive. Okay, so that completes the assignment here. Likewise, when the students submit, all those things will be seen, and I can go ahead with the submissions, view the submission, mark them online. So I don't have to download any file. I'll be seeing them online itself. Directly I can see. Have a look. View submission. As a teacher, I'll see the journal or the IA. I evaluate that, give the grading, and submit that using this option, return option. That's it. So and then once this is done, another question comes as a teacher, where to upload these how to export these marks. That is another section. We can upload these marks using this option. There is one option where we can go to our stream, classwork, will the grades. Okay, we'll have a look. These are the grades. Edit. All students. Here we have got the options here. If we want to delete the section, if you want to delete the marks, if you want to alter the marks, you can do all those options using this. Okay, that completes my assignment for today. Let me stop this recording at this point. If there are any questions, those could be posted at the end of this session or when in the chat box. Thank you.